So, isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is sex and creations. So, is God's good design. Given with marriage as a sacred expression of love, unity, and fruitfulness. Unlike the world's distorted views, the Bible teaches that sex is honorable when kept within God's boundaries. It is not shameful but holy, a covenant gift pointing to intimacy, trust, and mutual giving. So ayon po sa Genesis chapter 1 verse 27, so God created mankind in His own image. In the image of God, He created them. So, Genesis chapter 2, verse 24, male and female, He created them. That is why a man leaves his father and mother and is united to his wife, and they become one flesh. So, dumako naman po tayo sa ating katuruan. Sex is not shameful but pure and holy. So, hindi dapat kinakahiya ang sex, kundi ito ay delizy at banal. God created sex, so it's not something dirty when it's used in the right way inside marriage. Next is sex is God's precious gift. So, ito ay mahalagang regalo ng Diyos. It's a special blessing para sa mag-asawa to show love, unity, and even to create life. Next is sex is designed with many fine details. So, dinisenyo ng Diyos ang sex na may napakagandang detail from our bodies, emotions, hanggang sa spiritual connection. Lahat ay carefully planned by God para maging meaningful at sacred. Sa applications naman po, protect God's gifts of sex. So, i-protect natin ang gift na ito by keeping it pure. Ibig sabihin, huwag natin abusin or gamitin sa maling paraan, like lust or immorality. It is best enjoyed in marriage. Next is practice faithfulness in thought and deed. Maging tapat kundi lang sa actions, kundi pati sa isip. So, ang pagiging faithful sa partner ay nagsisimula sa puso at isipan. Next is pray for grace to honor God with your body. So, lagi tayong mag-pray na tulungan tayo ng Diyos to use our body in a way that glorify Him. Hindi lang sa sex, kundi sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. And ayun lamang po, maraming salamat.